Okay, this is a bit of an experiment in more ways than one. I think that light's a bit better. I've just gaffer taped my iPhone to the magnifying glass that's attached to the lamp that I have, so I can go hands-free. Okay, I'm just hoping my hands and everything won't get in the way too much here. So this is generated test number 6. So I've gone from, hey, this thing doesn't work, to, wow, that's pretty interesting. In case this is your first video, we've got spinning rotor of iron, or laminated steel in my case. I've got a magnet here, magnet here, magnet here, so we've got north, south, north, south. We've got, then on the inside of the rotor, we've got another 4 magnets, and those 4 magnets are stationary, and they're same field facing. So we've got magnets repelling each other here, and we've got the steel passing between them, and that's it. The pickup coil that I'll be using is this. It's out of a microwave oven carousel motor, and just some laminated steel. So I'm just going to work out if we do it. Now, see, I knew that was going to be a problem. So what I'm trying to do is, because I know the demonstration I have to give, and I need 2 hands to do it at the moment, so that could possibly work. Alright, let's give that a go. Requires a kickstart. When you hear it slow down, I'm actually touching the rotor. So I don't know if you saw that, but it was 101 volts there at one point. Once again, this is a fairly low amp. I don't know how much, but you know, based on the right rig, I can't see a reason why you wouldn't get 400 volts, even if it is at a low amperage. So my new aim now is a kilovolt, I guess. Just got to work out a rig where it could have. Anyway, so you get the idea. So that's what I'm finding here is that the greatest pickup actually happens between a set of magnets. So whether the coil's on the outside over here, or whether it's perpendicular, like I just showed you. The sweet spot tends to be in between the 2 magnets, which for me is about here. Sitting the coil perpendicular, that basically more than doubles what I'm getting picked up. Improvements that could be made is that some of these gaps aren't small enough; they need to be smaller. So I'm thinking about rebuilding the rotor, but my concern is that if I'm not using laminated steel, I might not get as good effect. One suggestion is maybe using, say, Mu Metal, which I do have some Mu Metal somewhere, but that Mu Metal, which used for other experiments. But the problem with that is that it's for this particular rig, I would have to reduce back to 1 mag. So there's all these variables that come into play because there's just not enough clearance using 4 of these. I would have to basically lose a mag on top. So I'm reducing the strength of the field, and I know from just these experiments that the bigger and stronger the magnetic field, the higher the voltage that we're going to get. So I'm sort of loath to do that. Any suggestions are welcome. Even rude ones. I'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.